Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings option once again. Scroll down your screen and click on dark mode option. Here select off option, and that is how you can turn off dark mode in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.